Good morning! Today is September 24, so it's day 1. I'm gonna give you guys a tour. That's Menard! Menard! Woo! Alright. It's my dog, Bruno. His name is Bruno. I'm gonna show you guys what we have here. I'm kind of like very organized with stuff. We have like bandage, you know, like first aid kit and all that stuff, you know. So this is the inside. Inside. Ta-da! Woohoo! Look at that. We have a TV, and then we have fire sticks so we can watch movies later. And then that's the shower. And there's like there's microwave, and also there's a small fridge, and it's a full-size sofa bed, and that's all our like pillows and all that stuff. And that's I have my planner right here, laptop, that's his and hers, and Bruno's bed. That's Bruno's bed, and this is his stuff. So his leash, dog food, and also like his first aid kit too. And this one is like bunch of stuff like our shoes and all that stuff. And then there we go, and that's our clothes in front. So we're going to the grocery now to buy beer or something, or food for tonight. Yeah, so alright, he's very clingy to his dad. Alright, bye for now, guys, and I'll see you guys later. Boom.
Just got back from the grocery store, and this is what we got. Some teriyaki chicken bowl, some fresh ham, olives, artichoke, guacamole, rosé, chips, rocky road, and pasta.
Yeah, there you go. And my favorite, picnic.
Finally here at Yosemite National Park.
Hi, welcome to Yosemite.
Thank you.
Ta-da! Yosemite National Park. Alright.
I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
What's up, guys? Naka-check-in na kami dito sa Yosemite Lakes Resort dito sa Yosemite. So, yeah, makikita nyo, pwede kayong mag-ask ng wood for later. And ito, later, dito kami kakain ni Menard. So, yan. Ito yung setup ng RV namin. So, yan. So, may food na rin si Bruno. Bruno! So, yan. So, dito yung mga plug. So, mostly mga RV yung mga nag-check-in dito. Kasi meron mga plug. Yan. So, yan. Plug. And then, yan naman yung sa water. Pag gusto mong gamitin yung banyo. Alright! So, okay, guys. So, later, mag-ready muna ako. Getting ready na for tonight. Cheers. Cheers.
Welcome, bro.
Sarap din siya. Very mild. Artichokes.
Olives.
And olives na hindi ko gusto.
Master Chef Charm.
Yeah! Meron tayong chicken Alfredo. Sarap. Grabe.
Bruno. Hey.
Ito lang muna. Tapos, i-reheat ko na lang to sa microwave. It's our dinner. Bruno, can I sit over there?
Wow!
Good night, guys. So, nakaset up na yung bed namin. Ganyan yung bed ni Bruno. Good night mo. Good morning. It's 7 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, just woke up. It's our setup for this is our bed. Look, super comfortable, and my Bruno is hiding underneath the blanket. It's good morning, Bruno. Because it's so cold here. Right. Let's wake up now. Wake up time. Let's wake up. Bernard.
Yep.
Hey, Bernard.
Wait.
Are you gonna take a shower here?
Yep.
Nag-ready na kami for today. So, ngayon ang breakfast namin is itong turkey breast. And then, nag-reheat kami ng noodles. Ito yung noodles namin. And then, guacamole. So, there you go. Guacamole and chips. Ito na yung noodles. Kunin natin. It's hot. Yan. Say something. Speak. Louder. Speak. Louder. Good boy. High five. Good boy. High five. Good boy.
You were truly my lover, but it was over so fast. Just one thing to discover. Oh no, it was never built to last. Well, you just fall.
Good boy. Come here, Bruno. This way. Woohoo!
You just fall.
Good boy, Bruno. Good boy.
Oh, you just fall.
Yeah, we're going home now.
Just in time, too. I mean.